Hi, welcome everyone to Post Market Analysis with Jagadish Chandran. Today we'll be discussing on what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty in coming sessions and important levels to watch out for. Nifty opens around 19,520 zones to attempt levels of highs of 19,550 zones and saw a supply to overtake and selling intensified, breaking below 19,500, 19,450 to slide below 19,300 zones to close around 19,280 on a intraday basis. Bank Nifty opened around 43,800, couldn't held on to the levels and broke levels of 43,500 to slide below 43,200 and to test 43,000 zones to close around 43,150. IT index too saw a sharp slide with cut of 1.9%. Overall, to summarize, all indices has been in a bearish grip with strong bearish grip which could lead index to lower levels too. Great opportunities to emerge in coming sessions. Focus on stock specific to build a long-term portfolio in a staggered approach for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. Power of technical analysis. Want to learn and earn in stock markets? Want to know the pulse of the markets independently? Advanced technical analysis classes starts. Admissions are open. For details, do connect with us. Thank you. For details, do connect with us. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.